Hello and welcome to this Excel tutorial video. In this tutorial, we will learn how to enter data in Excel using the data entry form feature. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, this video will help you learn new tips and tricks to improve your Excel skills. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to enter a large amount of data in a very short amount of time. So, let's get started. Firstly, we will collect and arrange all the data in a specific format required for our table of student test results. We will leave the first row empty and write serial number, name, student ID, and subject names such as English, Physics, Mathematics, and Chemistry in the second row. To adjust all the cell sizes, we can click on the right corner and adjust the size of any column, which will adjust the size of all columns. Next, we will give a name to this table by selecting all the cells and clicking on Merge and Center in the Home tab. Then, we will write the name Student Test Results as a header. We will also apply a background color and text color for the header. Then from the Home tab I will increase the size. Repeat the same steps for second row. To apply borders for the cells in the whole table, we will select the entire table and click on the All Borders option from the drop-down menu in the Home tab. Now, we will give serial numbers to the table using one of two easy methods. First, we can enter 1 and 2 in the first two rows, select both cells, and drag the bottom right corner up to the end of the table, which will automatically give numbering. Alternatively, we can write the first number in the first cell, press the Control key, and drag the bottom right corner of that cell up to the end of the table to achieve the same result. Moving on to data entry, we will first enable the Form option by clicking on the More Commands drop-down in the ribbon, then selecting Quick Access Toolbar. From Popular Commands, select All Commands. And scrolling down to search for the Form option. After selecting Form, we will click on the Add button and press OK. To enter the data, we will select the second row from Name to Chemistry. Click on the Form button added to the ribbon, and click OK. Here we can see all the selected column names entered in the table, such as name, student ID, and subject names. Now we can start data entry by entering the data of each student one by one. After entering the student name, press the Tab key from the keyboard and enter the next cell entry, that is student ID, without pressing Enter. After entering all the data for one student, now I will press Enter or click on the New button. Here you can see, data for the first student has been entered in the table. And in the form I can now enter the data of second student. In the same way, enter data of other students one by one. Again press Enter. To edit or delete previous data, we can click on the Find Previous button. Locate the data for the student we want to edit or delete, and click on Delete button. Then click OK. Here you can see, complete row of data for selected student has been removed. To add data for another student, we will click on the New button, and enter all the details in the same way. By using the Excel form, we can enter a large amount of data in a very short period of time. At the end, one tip to move data around quickly in Excel. Just highlight the cells with the data you want to move. And grab the border anywhere around the outside. And drag it where you want it to go. No need to copy and paste. In the same way you can move entire column. Or you can move entire row. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.